Hello YouTubers, it's Rosie Pretty Master here, and I'm doing my first mealtime video. Okay, so, okay, this is from Pie Lover 33333. Go Lily. What is it? Ooh, green checkup. Dang it. I don't know what to recycle. Oh, recycle lights. Yeah. Okay. Hey, no. I am a princess. Sent me bamboo. Why, thank you, bamboo. Do I have another gecko? Yeah, I got another gecko right here. Thank you, Princess 78902. Very sweet of you. From a wolf skull. Very nice. Arg. Got all these plants. I can recycle them. Thank you again. Oh, okay, from Jacob Rocks 798, a snowflake rug. Why, thank you. Very sweet of you. And I just want to say thank you, Julian, to AJ for inspiring people with these wonderful mealtime videos you're doing. Oh, wait, no. Do we have any more? Oh, yeah, we do. From Jacob Rocks, Jammer Anthem. Ooh, I don't think I had that one. Why, thank you. From Cool Lover, Candy Cane Lights. Nice. I think I have some already. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna recycle that plant. I have like thousands of plants. Come on. Okay. I should probably be recycling these instead of sitting here letting them sit here. Okay, from Misty's Twilight. Where's Plushie? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to discard that. I have too many. Here, for being so epic friend and a best friend. From SamDog3232, a big skull. Ooh, I do not have one of those. Sorry. Can't right now. Oh, we're not even. Oh, what? I thought we were buddies. Is that all of them? Oh, wait, no, we got another one. Right here. From Pie Lover again, Hanging Snowflake. Arg, my internet today. So slow. It's probably because it's snowing out here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, Jammers. And please, I don't know when I'm going to upload another one. What for tail? Nothing? Are you a boy? No. Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like, and I'll do more mealtime videos. And this is Master Sword 22158, and goodbye.